am proud of what we have all achieved over the past 40 years. I love you all. My name is Rexmon, and I am forever.
Come on, let me hear you. Can you appreciate the fact that Rex wants to be here? He loves you. He cares for you.
I owe my life to Rex.
34 years ago, Rex saved my life.
The first thing you need to do is you need to have vision. We're only getting started. We have so much potential to grow. We have so many more products to explore and to introduce. We have so much more good to give to the world. Together, we're gonna make the next 40 years even better, aren't we? Let's have a great time here in Dallas.
I have to tell you guys, we are absolutely thrilled with the new products. Introducing our new Forever Active Pro B, my very favorite, the new Aloe Vera Gel. We have launched a new Sonia skincare regime. These products are gel-based, meaning when you put them on, they actually absorb quicker into the skin.
Who our new Sapphire managers are? Rex and Greg have put us up for a big goal. Do you know how many packs we should pack until end of 19? 5 million meals. Can we do 5 million meals? Good. I think we can.
I am the voice of hunger. I am the voice of poverty. I am Minor Aragon. Forever we rise.
Let's introduce and welcome all our new Diamond Sapphire.
Great honor, and it's a big thing for us, being the first diamond yields in Forever history.
We want to be sure that new leaders come and get to visit the home office. They get to see Forever Nutraceuticals. You can choose to come to Dallas, but the next Eagle Manager Retreat, you can also choose to go to Pattaya, Thailand.
This is 40 years of Forever.
I think today is going to be even more amazing. Are you ready for that?
Are you guys excited about the choice between Pattaya and coming back to Dallas? Round of applause for our GLT, everybody. Our global leadership team.
Everyone will agree, who knows Greg, that this is the most powerful, outstanding, incredible leader a guy who will fight to his last blood drop when it comes.
And I know every single one of us are beyond grateful for your courage, your vision, your work ethic, the sacrifice, the struggle, and ultimately the success. So from all of us, to you, Rex and Ruth, we say humbly, thank you.
And I will tell you a story. You will remember me, and you will be able to create your own version of a miracle. Nothing is impossible if you put your passion and you're willing to do it. And doing what you do the best every single day of your life, you create your future. That's the only way. And you have to work like that. Happy day. Happy day. Oh, happy day.
See some more big checks?
LLP, he's a winner!
Yeah! Yeah! $352,000! You guys are awesome! 63,285. $363,000.
Let's recognize our diamond managers.
For you to get to diamond level, you need to persevere, and diamond level is an endurance process.
You, the whole world, we love you very much. Focus, don't allow anyone to steal your dream.
$78. Yeah! $381,768. Oh! Yeah! $396,000. Japan!
Very happy and very exciting to be number one again.
$430,000. $460,000, everybody. $615,772.
This year, the Spirit Award goes to Hungary. Great job, guys. Thank you so much. So all day long, they've been saying, is it my city? Is it my city? Well, guess what? Now is the time you're going to find out.
We're going to Stockholm!
Having an opportunity like Forever is a blessing to many of us. All we have to do is to gather the plan, find these bricks and building blocks around us, and build a bright future.
$713,436. It's all yours, brother. It's all yours.
I have no words. For the first time in my life, I'm speechless.
Thank you. Thank you.
I am so glad that we made the decision to build a forever business. It's been life-changing in so many ways, not just our lives, but the lives of hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of others. John and I believe in changing lives, even through the smallest of acts, and we are forever.
John Curtis, Jay Leach. $756,687.
There's one man who's watching at home, and I just want to say, Rex, humbly thank you. And we're going to be around for the next 40 years, and we're going to change a lot of people's lives on that journey. Just amazing. Thank you so much.
I'm Rolf Kipp. I love to build teams.
And we are also building a family together.
And we are forever. Forever is made for realizing the biggest dreams. Join us, come with us, and let's stay, work, celebrate together for the next 20, 30, 40 years. So there's a reason why this company is called Forever. Yeah, so this is forever. So thank you.
$1,118,601. We know forever is the greatest opportunity in the world. We love you. And there's one last thing to say. Good night, Dallas.